Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Happy Diwali to everyone. On this special occasion, everyone is eating delicious foods and enjoying a wonderful time with friends and family. Today I want to share a super delicious fusion dessert which will be a showstopper at your party is none other than the Eggless Kaju-Katli Cheesecake which I made it in the Instant Pot. Kaju-Katli is an Indian sweet made with cashews. To give this cheesecake the beautiful Indian touch, I decided to add some cardamom in the filling and some ghee in the biscuit base. This eggless version of cheesecake gives a perfectly creamy texture and tasted exactly like a Kaju Katli. If you don't have an instant pot, you can do it in an oven as well. Prepare a hot water bath and keep the pan in the water bath. Bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Making a cheesecake in the instant pot is bliss. I love making cheesecake in the Instant Pot. I have shared some Instant Pot cheesecake recipes in my channel. I have given the link in the description box below. Please do check it or check the playlist in the end. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make Kaju-Katli or cashew cheesecake in the Instant Pot. First, let's start making the crust. Check on the ingredients to make the crust. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Crush 200 grams of digestive biscuit or any biscuits of your choice. Make cashew powder. Use only plain cashews. Don't use salted one. It might affect the taste of the cheesecake. In a bowl, add crushed biscuits, powdered cashew and melted ghee. Mix all these till everything is coated in ghee evenly. Biscuit mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Let's make the pan ready. Grease the 6-inch pan with cooking spray. Transfer the biscuit mixture to the springform pan. Use the back of glass or spatula to push down and cover the base of the pan with the biscuit mixture. Set it aside in the freezer till you prepare the filling. The next step is to make the cheesecake filling. Check on the ingredients to make the filling. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. First, you need a cashew paste. To make the cashew paste, soak cashews in hot water for 10 minutes and blend it in a blender or in a food processor till you get a smooth paste. Just add a very little bit of water while making a paste. This is the perfect consistency. Set it aside. To make a slurry, in a small bowl of cornflour, add heavy cream. Mix this till it's lump-free. Set it aside. To make a filling, in a large bowl, add softened cream cheese. Use a spatula to smooth it out. Remember, always use the room temperature ingredients to avoid the crack in the cheesecake. Now, add in the cornflour slurry, cashew paste, give it a nice mix. Use a whisk now. Now, add cardamom powder or rose essence, 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Mix it well together till there are no large lumps. The filling is ready. Line the parchment paper on the sides. Pour the filling into the frozen crust. Tap the pan gently on the countertop so that any air bubbles in the batter will rise to the surface. Most of the air bubbles will burst as you tap the pan, but if not, burst them with a toothpick. This helps to get a smoother surface. Cover the top of the pan with a paper towel and aluminum foil, crimping down the foil around the sides of the pan to secure the paper towel in place. Pour 1½ cup of water to the inner pot. Place the pan on a rack in the Instant Pot. Secure the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Select the pressure cook or manual setting and set the cooking time for 37 minutes at high pressure. Let the pressure release naturally. This will take 10 to 15 minutes. Open the pot and lift out the cake pan. Remove the foil and paper towel. Do not worry if a 1-inch circle in the middle of the cake is a little bit jiggly, the cake will continue to cook as it cools. Let the cheesecake cool on the counter for about 1 hour. Chill it in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight. Let it cool down completely. Unlock the collar on the pan and lift it off. Remove the paper gently. Look at the perfect texture. If you want, you can top it with edible silver sheets and some nuts. I have shared a link for this silver sheet in the description box below. If you want one, please do check it. Our super delicious and creamy eggless Kaju-Katli Cheesecake or Cashew cheesecake in the Instant Pot is ready. Slice it and enjoy. I want to share some tips to get smooth cheesecake layer. Tip number 1. Make sure that all the ingredients are at room temperature. Tip number 2. Don't overmix the batter. Tip number 3. Tap the pan after pouring the batter to pop up most of the air bubbles in the cheesecake batter. Tip number 4. Don't overcook the cheesecake. An ideal cheesecake is one where the outer edges come out firmer than the center. I have tested this recipe many times, so if you follow this recipe, pan size, timing, etc., you should be good. Tip number 5. To avoid the crack on the cheesecake, let the cheesecake sit on the counter for a few hours to cool down gradually. Do try this eggless Kaju-Katli Cheesecake or Cashew Cheesecake for this Diwali with your family and friends. Enjoy the special fusion dessert with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.